Assalamu alaikum friend, welcome back. You watching my YouTube channel and today our topic is the top 3D printer for 2024 and let's start the video. The manufacturing and design industry continue to undergo a revolution thanks to 3D printing. The 3D printer has are becoming more widely available as hobbyists, small business and the educational sector. Technology advance and cost fall. The choices available to those looking to buy a 3D printer can be confusing. Over expert tested and evaluated the top 3D printers currently on the market that offer the best price performance ratio. To help you narrow down your option, we list the top 3D printer for 2023 in the article based on print quality, blind value, usability and cost. Whatever you are beginner getting started in 3D printing or looking to the upgrade to a more advanced machine, these 3D printers are the best choices for unleashing your creativity or improving your design overflow. Flash 4 Creator 3, the best 3D printer for 2023 is thought to be Flash Forge Creator 3. With this dual Ultra FDM 3D printer, you can get a high performance at a low cost. The Creator 3D creates precious and reliable print thanks its sturdy metal frame. It has a heated print bed and an enclosure so that more material can be printed. The Creator 3 can print on flexible material like TPU, TPL, ABS and PETG for printing medium to large PET. The Creator 3 has large blind volume of 8.9 multiplied by 8.9 multiplied by 9.8 inches is ideal. Lower resolution range from 0.1 to 0.4 mm. Wi-Fi connectivity, automatic bed leveling system and a touchscreen display are all features to the Creator 3. Some of these standout features of the Creator 3 are dual electronic renewable resolution of simulation printing to material unfiltered and the power quota. And number 2, Illogo Mar 3 Pro we cannot discuss because it's not valuable. And Creator 3D Pro and Dremel Digilab 3D 245. The Dremel Digilab 3D 45 is the perfect 3D printing for small business and education institute. It's provide excellent print quality at a reasonable cost. The metal enclosure and frame of the 3D 45 are strong and resistant to repeated use. It can print a variety of atoms because of its large blind value of 9 inches by 5.9 inches by 5.5 inches. For successfully print the heated print bed currently constant temporary control. The 3D 45 is powered by Dremel Un 3D Sensor software, which is made to be a simple to use. With 3D printing, both teacher and student can get going right now. User to the software can apply setting for high quality print, scale and position model and import 3D file. It works with 3D modeling application like Blender, Fashion 360 and Tinkercad. The 3D 45 has several safety features can make of private association in. And number 5, Razer 3D E2 with the blind area of volume 12 multiplied by 12 and multiplied by 12. The Pause 3D E2 is the company's largest format 3D printer and is perfect for educator, engineers and industrial designer. The large blind value for the E2 enable user to print substantial photo from tooling and finished part. The E2 can print a wide variety of engineering grade tamper fitting with high precision thanks to heated bed temperature range for up of 100 guarantee with its dual independent extrudes and A2 can paint to different material add-ons because the dual extra unit and the more complex print are possible. Each extruder can etch 300 degree and has a 0.4 mm nozzle. So let's end with a video are end and I want to say about next video. So thank you friend, take care all.